All present here. First, I would like to offer my warm regards to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor P.C. Trivedi sir, for gracing us on the occasion of the inaugural ceremony of 1 week faculty development program titled Artificial Intelligence Applications in Modern Scenario. I also extend my warm regards, welcome to the all experts and participants who have joined from various parts of our beloved country. At the outset, this faculty development program, I take this opportunity to express sincere gratitude towards Chairman AICTE Professor Anil Shahstrabuddhe, Vice Chairman AICTE, and our proud alumnus Professor MP Punia, Director AICTE Training and Learning Academy Dr. R.K. Soni, and the whole leadership team of Atal Initiative who have envisioned and provided the support for the organizing these faculty development programs, benefiting the whole teaching learning community in higher education, researchers from public and private organizations, teachers from CBSE schools, and the students. I take this opportunity to share with all that MBM Engineering College, established in 1951 with a vision to promote engineering education and research in the western state of Rajasthan, in one of the oldest engineering institutions in the country. The college was merged with erstwhile Jodhpur University, now known as Jai Narayan Vyas University, Jodhpur, in the year 1962 as the constituent faculty of engineering. Over the past 70 years, the institute has been blessed with the able leadership of some of the most reputed academicians in India, such as Professor V.G. Garde, Professor B.C. Punomia, Professor S.C. Goyal, Professor Alam Singh, Professor Damodar Sharma, and Professor Srinivasan, among many others. I take pride in sharing with all of you that since our inception, our administration and faculty members have always been pioneer in taking up the latest challenges in engineering research and education. As a result, we now have 11 departments that offers 12 undergraduate, 25 postgraduate, and 10 doctoral research program in a wide range of engineering discipline. Our faculty members and students are involved in cutting edge research areas and constantly produce quality publications in their respective discipline. Looking to ever changing needs and challenges within society and industry, I appreciate the initiative and efforts put in by the Department of Computer Science and Engineering and the organizing team in conducting this FDP on one of the emerging areas, artificial intelligence, that has the potential to open up several possibilities and eventually impact thousands of lives. The true importance and fruitfulness of such faculty development programs lies in the fact that when a teacher is equipped with new knowledge and skills, it eventually gets passed on to the students and consequently, helps in development of the nation. I extend my gratitude to all the eminent speakers who have kindly consented to contribute to this program through their wisdom and knowledge. I believe all the participants will get benefited with the exchange of knowledge and would definitely work towards using these ideas in the respective fields of research. I feel happy to see that despite of the new challenges imposed on academia by the pandemic, we have been able to accommodate 200 participants in this FDP. I understand that it has constrained us to use these virtual platforms, but looking to the positive side, it has given us the opportunity to approach experts from across the world without the limitations of political boundaries and inconvenience of traveling thousands of miles. At the end, I would like to conclude my address with best wishes to Mr. Abhishek Gaud, Assistant Professor in our Department of Computer Science and Engineering, who has taken up the leadership and initiative to coordinate this 5-day program for the overall advantage of the academic fraternity. I now request the organizing team to invite Honorable Vice Chancellor for his presidential address. Thank you.